Hello everyone, welcome to Business Analytics using Excel Fundamentals. This is part 2, Module 1. Before moving further ahead, I'd request you to please like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. You can press the bell icon. By that, you will be getting the notification for all the videos that I'll be uploading into this. And you can download all the sheets, all the Excel sheets that I'll be working on from the Innomind app. You can find the app on Google Play Store. In the previous videos, we have covered add, fill, split, transpose, sort and filter. Today, we'll be doing tables. So anything that is written here, these things are to be converted into table format. Why? Because we get some extra benefit by making any cells into a table format. Let's understand what are the different benefits that we get while making any data in this format into a table format. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select whatever the data I want to convert into table. For that, I'll go to Insert tab. In Insert tab, you see I have an option for table. Either you can do directly Control+T, or you can go to Insert and then Table. You click on Table and then it is automatically selecting the area in which the data is. Where the data in your table is, that means you want to make as a table, you can select here. Or if you want to select some other data, you can click here and you can select the area. Suppose I want this only this much, so you can do that, but I want to make complete as a table, so I'll do that. And if your table has a header, so we have a header here, department, category, October, November and December. So that's why I'm going to click this option as an active and I'll click OK. So as soon as I do that OK, you see I have received a table here. Now if you click anywhere in this table, you have a design tab at the top. From here you can change the layout or the design of or the style of your table. So let's keep the first one, that looks easier to me. Okay, so what is the first benefit here? So this is a table. Okay, now if I want to add more rows, I'll just type here bakery, and as soon as I press enter, you see it is getting included into the table, and our table can be seen from here. This resize handle is here, right? If you want to add anything like number of rows to be increased or decreased, you can just drag it. I want to add 2 more columns, I can drag it here. So you can see we have January and Feb. Okay, and similarly I want to remove this. I'll do one thing, I'll just drag it here and the table size is getting reduced. So by this resize handle we can change the size of our table. Now let's understand another feature. In this table, if we want to add all these rows, this data that is from October, November and December, all this value, that's some dollars are to be added into total column. I have changed from here like this. I've added a total column here. Now what I'm going to do is I have to add a new column that has the summation of all 3 months, previous month. So if you remember, we had a shortcut for adding that is Alt equal to and then enter sign. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll Control Z. Okay, let me click somewhere first, escape, Control Z. Yeah, so I'll do it again. So I want to add here Alt equal to enter. Sorry, just a second. Alt equal to, and then as you click Alt equal to, you can see the formula that is being applied, and then press enter. As soon as you press enter, it is going to be applied for all the table rows. Okay, now let's understand total rows in the tables. So what is happening here is, suppose this is our table, I click this table anywhere on this table, and then we go to design, table design, and here total rows. What's happening is it's finding the sum of all these values at the bottom. Okay, similarly let's try here. In this, I click it here and click on total rows. You see it is going to sum up the value of total. Okay, so we are getting an extra row that is summing up this total value, that is last column. Now if I do not want just this as a total sum of this, we can also have the average. Just click on this drop down. You have none, average, count, count numbers, max, min, sum, standard deviation, variance, and many more functions if you want to include. So right now I'll find the average of all the numbers above. That is, this is average of all these numbers is 3000 here at the bottom. So you can see it's also reflecting 3000 here. So that is the benefit of putting your data into a table. And the shortcut for doing this same thing is Control Shift T. And for making a table here, let's remove this table. Okay, let's just copy this. Control C. And I'm just going to paste the values. So here, I'll select it and Control T to make this as a table. So you see I have not selected a header, so it has all automatically included a header for me, column 1 and column 2. If you want, you can change the name for this. Department, and this click F2 and then you can rename it here also, and this is category. So if I want to add anything, suppose I've written this is line 1, and if I want to change the line, I'll press Alt Enter. That means in the same cell the line is getting changed. Okay. And the reason I'm getting just one here because I have to wrap it so that I can see the whole line. Okay, I'll remove this, and that's all for today in this lecture. And before going, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.